Hey, how's it going? What's up, y'all? Where we at?
We at Super Duper right now, y'all. Super Duper burgers, you can see it?
Yeah. Hungry.
Beer.
What's up?
IPA.
IPA, yeah. Saturday.
Yep, Saturday we came from the beach, fucking dogs. Motherfucker, I'm hungry.
We are in the Castro.
Yeah.
It's lit. They got some drag queens over there. They do. They're dancing. And they're dressed up. Yeah, I should be a bartender.
We got garlic fries, y'all. It's I think my second or third time eating this, but I forgot because we used to work at the airport and I ate it like once. Oh, I think I only got the milkshake actually, I could be wrong.
Milkshakes are bomb too.
Yeah.
Oh, wait. Yes. Over there.
It's yours?
No, mine is this one has mushrooms in it.
I got the mini burger.
I got mini burger too, but I added mushrooms. Okay. Got some ranch.
Try this out, y'all. You're slipping, man. Give it no napkins, y'all.
Oh, I know. Okay. See you later. These cows are grass-fed. Milkshakes are organic too.
I'm not gonna lie, this brings to the burger. Automatic 5 out of 5. Automatic.
Where's the sauce at? In the middle. Oh, there it is. Oh, yeah.
I'm gonna be right back, y'all, because I need to get some napkins.
I'll keep it running.
As y'all know, y'all can see I'm a messy eater, so I need napkins, y'all. Hopefully the audio is loud.
I know, huh?
Talk loud. I'll be back.
Pickles. I got a pickle. I got a pickle. I got a pickle. Hey, 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 hey. You know where that's from? $5 Amazon gift card. Get this ketchup ready.
So I'm back at it with the crack at.
I offered Amazon gift card.
The napkins, y'all. Messy eater, like I said, so I need it.
Let's try these garlic fries, yo.
Garlic fries go crazy,
I
y'all.
thought they had truffle fries.
We got ranch and ketchup.
This is pure.
Hope the audio is good on this, y'all.
Oh, fuck, kind of loud out here, huh? It is good with ketchup.
Yeah, the ranch overtakes the taste now. There you go. Super duper.
Make sure you add something to it. Like mushrooms. You know, jalapenos, bacon.
The meat itself is so fire. So soft.
Yeah.
It's all good. Got some pickles with it. Going crazy.
I ate one. Should have added like jalapenos. And those peppers that we get from In-N-Out. Love again.
Oh, I added bacon to mine, so I didn't know. She added mushrooms, so I told y'all already.
I did.
Wow, she's 2 steps ahead of me.
Cheesy. Doggy.
Maybe got it, sir.
Oh, fuck. Thank you. Here's your sweater.
Cheers, baby.
Cheers.
Cheers, y'all.
Yee. I'm having had a beer in hell long.
Saturday.
Ever since they made Truly's
Uh-huh.
and White Claws, I haven't had a beer in a minute. A minute. Our food was made pretty fast.
It was fast and it's very smacking.
When you were in the bathroom, it was on ring. They made that shit in like 5 minutes or less. Then here, our beef is all natural, vegetarian fed, hormone free. It is hella good. The meat. Make sure you add cheese too.
Uh-huh. Super Duper is going up, y'all.
Mushrooms.
Good idea, baby.
Healthy, that's fine. Garlic fries on hit.
Got one of your pickles.
Yummy.
So, then they got like 3 other Super Dupers in the city, right?
Yeah.
There's Castro, we're in Castro.
Where are we right now?
And then there's
We're in Market.
Yeah.
They have one.
Metron.
Metron. I don't know what the other one was. Oh,
There's
Kearney.
only like 3.
Kearney.
And there's one more in the airport. In the city yet.
They closed it.
What they did?
Yeah, I saw it online. Y'all should come to this one. Lit out here. They got a dry clean show. Literally just a few blocks. I mean, a few steps.
Garlic fries go crazy as well.
You know, she's hungry. You think you gonna kiss me after this? You said you think you gonna kiss me after this?
Answer your question.
Good. What's the percentage on this? 7.5. Y'all like
Probably
egg?
buzzing cousin after this.
Saturday.
Shout out to the LGBTQ community, by the way. Highly recommend it, y'all.
5 out of 5?
5 out of 5, y'all. Dumb smack. I hope this wasn't blocking me the whole time, because honestly, that beer was in the way the whole time, but hopefully it's fine.
Just down the street is a cafe.
Yeah.
I don't know if you guys have been there. Lit when it was open. When things were open. The pink. I don't know if you guys like pink, but
I just finished my burger,
means it's
y'all.
not overly cooked. How fast?
That burger is 5 out of 5. The garlic fries 5 out of 5. I think I'm stupid over there.
Why the bars aren't open?
Anything else you want to say, baby?
Give me a 5-second roll in a minute.
Okay. And after the video, we're going to do a 5-second roll, but aside from that, super duper burger, 5 out of 5. I highly recommend if you're out here in the city or whatever. I'm in your city. Sure. Can't go wrong. Fire. Go crazy. 5-second roll out for y'all. Last cheers.
about to be hella full with that beer. Organic soft serve hand dip cones. Get one after.
Cheers. Cheers, y'all.
Yee!
Hey, thanks for watching, y'all. Here we go. I'm white. Alright, y'all.
Oh.
Like, comment, subscribe, y'all. Thanks for fucking with us.